Greetings. My name is Melissa Marquez Silva, and this is my presentation on my philosophy of success. The quote that I have chosen for my site is, "What you do today can improve all your tomorrows" by Ralph Marsden. This quote is significant to me because getting the most out of life requires some planning. So what you plan to do today can truly affect all your tomorrow. My life role is to be a great mother and lead my children onto successful paths. My life goal is to make decisions that will lead me in the right directions. And my life purpose is to create financial wealth by creating an open, honest, and high achieving environment. My definition of success is sticking with what matters through hard times, achieving your goals, big and small, and living a life that you can feel proud of. My struggles, solutions, and strategies. So the one thing that's interfering with my success right now is my time management. My struggle is that I am overbooked, and the solution that I have identified during class is to manage my time better to avoid being overbooked. The solution that I have implemented is the use of an electronic calendar to help me manage my time. The second thing that's interfering with my success is my mental health. So my struggle is stress. And the stress causes me to overthink, and that triggers my anxiety. Being overbooked, having a demanding job, and a busy household are also contributing factors. So my solution I identified during class was to find ways to improve my emotional intelligence to help me manage stressful situations. The strategies that I have implemented is being aware of my emotions, and this allows me to embrace my feelings and take responsibility for them and change my perspective on situations. The third thing interfering with my success is my money management. My expenses are greater than my income. So the solution that I have identified during class is to manage my money better by creating a monthly budget. And I have implemented this by downloading a budgeting application to help me manage my expenses. Therefore, I learned that by identifying what's interfering with my success, I am able to implement solutions that will make the road to success a less bumpy ride. Also, my vision for my life includes a career in business administration. I would like to work in human resources. And according to my MBTI, I am an ISFJ, and that means I am introvert, sensing, feeling, and judging, which means that I tend to make decisions based on primary values and subject evaluation of person-centered concerns, and I will be suited for a career in human resources. According to my Reuters values assessment, my values confirm the career choice of business administration in human resources because my top two values are achievement and money, which is why I will choose to go into this career. It's a good fit for me. And according to my true color assessment, my true color is green, and as a green personality, I seek knowledge, understanding, I value intelligence, insight, integrity, justice, and I tend to focus on projects until I understand them or until they're completed. This confirms that a career in business administration is a good choice for me. I learned that if I commit to something for 21 days, it becomes a habit forming pattern. For example, this semester I decided to manage my time accordingly, and I learned that anything is possible if you plan it out right. So my motivation is my family, and I want to make my family proud and show them that it's never too late to achieve your dreams. And my desire is to be successful in creating financial wealth for my children, and also my goals, which is to complete an ADT in business administration at Compton College and obtain my bachelor's degree in business administration from Cal State Long Beach. And this is the end of my presentation. The best is yet to come. So as long as you work hard and stay humble, we can achieve it all. Thank you.